Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you how I made these yummy donuts. They came out so well and so delicious. These are the ingredients I used: brown sugar for dusting, 1 egg, 1 sachet yeast, flour, sugar and salted butter, and a small glass of milk. I melted the butter, mixed in the milk, sugar, yeast, egg, and I mixed everything together, making sure there was no lumps. After I mixed in everything together, I combined in the flour, mixing it well. I continued adding more flour and mixing it. At this stage guys, everything got a little bit messy. I needed to use my hands to make sure the mixture is mixed in well, just to make sure that the mixture is nice and soft and bouncy. The mixture is all done, and all I have to make sure is to cover this with a plastic film and let it stand for about an hour to rise. After an hour, the mixture has risen, as you can see, and all I needed to do is again just knead it a little bit and then let it stand again for 45 minutes to rise again. Guys, the reason I wanted it to stand for another 45 minutes, that way the donuts would come out soft and fluffy. To get the board ready, I'm just sprinkling some flour on it. After 45 minutes, the mixture is ready. Look how soft it looks. Now that the mixture is ready guys, I'm gonna roll this into small donut balls. It doesn't have to be the same size. I'll cover this with a plastic film ready to fry. I already heated the oil on high, ready to fry the donuts. I fry the donuts in the hot oil and make sure to be turning them when they turn brown. After I did the first batch of donuts, I made sure to reduce the temperature to medium so that the other donuts don't burn. The donuts here are all done. Now next to the yummy part. I rolled all the donuts in brown sugar just to give it that extra sweetness. The donuts are all done, guys. Just look at the donuts. They turned out so soft and delicious. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe.